Hi guys, welcome to the Active channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to change a username on YouTube. So let's go to YouTube first. Now click on top right corner your profile icon, then go to YouTube Studio, then scroll down and you will find here customization. Click on this. Now you'll find here three options: layout, branding and basic info. Go to basic info. Then you can see here the name. You can change the name here, that's up to you. Okay, so after putting your name, just write here the description, or you can make it empty, that's up to you. And now all you have to just click on this publish. If you click on publish, your name will be changed and description what you have made change will be changed successfully. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.